From preparation to precision, installing herringbone parquet flooring is both a craft and a science. The process begins with planning the layout, where every piece must align perfectly to form a continuous zigzag pattern. Starting from the center line, the installer places the first row of planks with absolute care, ensuring that each angle is exact and the symmetry holds. As the pattern extends, each piece is laid one at a time, with attention to spacing and orientation. Adhesive is spread evenly beneath each board, holding the pattern in place while allowing enough time for adjustments. For herringbone floors, even a slight misalignment can throw off the entire design, so patience and accuracy are key. Next comes the fishbone design, a close cousin to the herringbone layout, but with tighter, more dynamic angles. This pattern demands even more precision due to its sharper geometry. The installer measures, cuts, and places each plank with expert control, constantly checking for alignment and consistency. Corners, edges, and transitions are addressed with special cuts, custom shaped to match the unique flow of each pattern. Once the entire surface is laid, the floor is rolled or pressed to secure the bond and remove any air bubbles. Finally, the surface is cleaned and inspected. What remains is a seamless, elegant floor where every angle and joint speaks of craftsmanship. Whether it's herringbone or fishbone, the process brings out the natural beauty of wood, transforming empty space into an expression of geometry and art.